Hello, I'm in a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, and today I'm going to show you how to raise and lower your seats. So over these rear seats, right here, this button you'll push all the way down, and now you can pull this forward. And it works the same on this other seat as well, just a little button there to push and lower it. And when you're ready to put it back up, make sure your seat belts aren't stuck anywhere. But we'll push this all the way back up. And it should just lock right back in place. If you're having issues with it getting back in, you might need to fiddle with this button a little bit to get it to push all the way back. But now we're clear, and the seat belts are still free. And then you can also open this as well if you need just a little opening here. And just fold this back up when you're done. And for these front seats, this bar here, if you lift it up, it'll let you pull the seat forward or backwards. When you release it, it'll lock it in place. And then this will bring this forward. And then if you lift it and push back, it goes backwards. And then this will kind of pop your seat up and down. And then it works similar on the passenger side. You can see that same lever that slides it forward and back. And then your side controls are similar to this. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.